Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer using Canva. So first head over to canva.com and consider logging into your account. Now here you should see a search bar and all you have to do is type in the word flyer, then press enter. Canva will then show you various designs of flyers that you can use. All you have to do is click on your preferred design, then proceed by clicking on Customize this template. And now here you can start manually customizing your flyer. Change the color theme, the contents of the flyer, and even the elements inside the flyer. Adjust it all according to your preference. To change the letter, just double click on the text elements. And to delete this graphic, for example, you can just click on it, then click on the delete button and replace it with elements from this element tool. You can start searching for, say, for example, children. You can also see here different graphics that you can add on your flyer. Adjust it on the position that you would like. And once done, you can just head over and save this design. Just click on File, click on Download, choose the file type, then press Download. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!